Let's install this speaker light kit from Cointaker. As you can see, one side has a magnetic strip. This is the side that will be resting against the display. The mag strip allows access to the screw mounting slots we will need in a moment. First, we need to remove the current speaker panel. Using a 5/16 nut driver, remove all 4 nuts. Be sure to only work on one side at a time. This will make the install easier. Disconnect the speaker. Now we need to fully remove the screws holding this bracket onto the display. The speaker bracket can now be fully removed. Remove the clear plastic segments. I recommend you keep the foam for a better light show. Now install the screws that attach to the display, but only screw them in a turn or two to keep them in place, and don't forget the ground wire either. We want to be able to slide the light panel into position, and having these screws already mounted will make the install easier. Line up all screws and press the bracket into the designated slots. You may now finish mounting the screws to the display. Reattach the LED strip. Now you may mount the 4 plastic extension posts. Reinstall the speaker panel and fasteners. Reconnect the speaker. Find the supplied Y connector that will join both panels to form one connector. Then connect the female DC adapter. Find the power adapter with the 2-pin connection. We will install this next. Using an 11/32 nut driver, remove the 2 nuts holding this shield in place. Make sure your machine is unplugged before removing this shield. Find the 2-pin connector, and it should have an orange cover. And just go ahead and remove the orange cover. Install the supplied power cord with the 2-pin connector in its place. Place the cable down and be sure to tuck this connector back into position to not interfere with the shield reinstallation. Reinstall the AC shield fasteners. Connect the power cable into the supplied DC power block. I recommend that you do not let this power block dangle into the lower cabinet. This cord isn't long enough to rest at the bottom of the cabinet and creates unnecessary stress on this 2-pin connector. So, I utilize the wire looms that are already installed from Stern. Connect the DC connection and perform wire management as needed. You may now plug your machine back in, turn the game on, A blue light should be illuminated on the power block. And now your speaker lights should be glowing.